Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, open it. Then mute the music completely by tapping on bottom left corner and access bottom right one. Over here, hit settings and tap on I accept in first things first pop-up. Then adjust all of those settings however you wish to. You can see a preview above. And finally, tap on the top right corner. Then select the bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!